Looks like we're going to get some good train action here. We got 2 green signals. I guess this guy had a problem with his flat screen because he just dumped it next to the railroad tracks here. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler and it's train time. I'm in Bealeton, Virginia, and as you saw behind me, we have 2 green signals on both those tracks. I'm not sure what's coming. It's either going to be a Norfolk Southern or an Amtrak, or could be a surprise. We'll just have to wait and see. I don't know if you guys can hear that in the background, but I must be near a gun range because I hear a lot of popping going off. But we caught 2 trains. That was pretty good, and I think that's going to do it here from Bealeton, Virginia. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.